Have you ever wondered why we make a plan but do homework? It feels like total chaos, but it's actually a battle, and you can win it. Let's help Bob figure out the rules once and for all. Make, create something. Do, perform an action. Here is the golden rule. Use make when you create or produce something new. Use do for activities, jobs, or routine actions. Let's see how it works in Bob's busy day. Every morning, Bob does his homework before breakfast. Then he makes a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Today, Bob is very busy. He is doing many things around the house. First, he is doing the laundry. After that, he is making a plan for the weekend. Yesterday, Bob did the dishes and did some exercise. Later, he made a phone call to his friend and made a big mistake. He accidentally sent a funny photo to his teacher. Professor Wise. Excellent. Now you have truly made lunch. But you have made a mess. Yes, I have done my homework, I have done the laundry, and I have done my best. That's true, but I have also made lunch and made some progress, and a made it feeling. I have done it. Quick review. Make, made, made. Make a sandwich. Make a plan. Make a phone call. Make a mistake. Make a mess. Do, did, done. Do homework. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Do exercise. Do your best. And now, mini quiz time. Choose make or do. Write your answers in the comments. I need to do the laundry today. Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Could you do me a favor and open the window? I have to make a phone call. It's time to make a decision about your future. Try not to make any noise. She is going to do some research for her project. You are making great progress. Lesson conclusion. This topic often comes up in international exams, so knowing these nuances will definitely boost your confidence in communication. The difference between do and make is a classic trap, but now you know how to avoid it. The golden rule is use do for actions, tasks, and duties, and make for creating or producing something new. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new breakdowns. Share your progress in the comments below. How many correct answers did you get in the quiz? See you soon. Puzzle piece sparkles.